I've been shooting with the Sony FX6 in its stock form for a few years now. Its ability to shoot in almost no light with perfect autofocus and for long-form video projects makes it a really important part of my kit. After researching a long time, I decided I wanted to rig it up to enable me to use higher capacity V-mount batteries that have enough power not just to run the camera, but the Atomos recorders and even LED lights at the same time. I found KondorBlue to be the perfect system for my FX6 and made this little video of me putting the parts and pieces together. I did a shoot just this week where, for the first time, I never even thought about battery life. It was like being set free just to shoot and capture footage at the event. The level of precision that KondorBlue puts into all their parts is amazing. I'm very pleased with my small rig that now has long-form location potential.